Welcome to the exciting dinosaurs. Hold on to your seat. And don't forget, keep your safety straps fastened at all times. Remember, keep your arms and legs inside the ride at all times. Remain seated till the ride stops complete. So you have a nice ride.
MJ, ano, okay ka lang? Ikaw, Totoy? Ha? Ha? Ang ano mo? Hoy. Hoy. Ano? Baka ikaw. Ang white flower mo. White flower mo. Nasa iyo. Hoy, saya? Oh, try mo. Siya eh! Sige pa, Totoy. Sige pa. Drive mo. Drive mo. Oh! Ano mo? Sige nga. Oh.
Please don't stand, kids. Wait until the ride comes to a firm stop. If you want to ride once more, please remember to fall in line again.
Diyan ka na, Totoy.